How to reset index in a Pandas data frame. I have a data frame from which I remove some rows. As a result, I get a data frame in which index is something like that, 1, 5, 6, 10, 11, and I would like to reset it to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How can I do it? The following seems to work. The following does not work.
Dataframe.reset_index is what you're looking for. If you don't want it saved as a column, then do. If you don't want to reassign.
Another solutions are assign range index or range. It is faster.
df.reset_index drop equals true effectively replaces the index by the default range index. Another way to do the same thing is to straight away assign a new index using set_axis, which I believe is what op attempted with reindex. So the following two return the same output. Note that most method functions in Pandas that remove, modify rows such as drop_duplicates, sort_values, dropna, pd.concat, etc. have ignore_index parameter, which when passed true resets the index into a range index in a single function call. So keep an eye out for this parameter if you were removing, adding rows to a data frame. An example. In this way, you can use in-place parameter as well. If you used group B and want to replace the index into the default range index, there is the as_index parameter when passed false resets the index into range index in the same function call. So instead of df.groupb, call 1.mean.reset_index, use df.groupb, call 1 as_index equals false.mean.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.